Hi everyone and welcome to another lecture. So let's start creating and learn how to build database. To create a database, we will need to use the MySQL database. MySQL, it's probably now the world's most popular open source database application, and maybe 80 or 90% of the applications you see on the web run with MySQL. Okay, so MySQL is the one that we will learn and works very well with PHP. Let's visit the MySQL official website, and you can go there and you have everything you need to know, or all the documentation you need about MySQL in this website. Okay, so you have here the documentation. Whenever you have any doubts or you need to work on a project that you need to check what to use or how to implement something new in the MySQL database, or you have an error, you can go here and check for yourself or download the manual. Okay, great. So MySQL is based on the SQL language for databases, and if you check SQL here, it stands for Structured Query Language. Okay, and this is the language that you need to know, or at least you need to know a little bit of it in order to work with MySQL and a database. Okay, so we'll learn all that on the next lectures, don't worry. So let's go back. So the first thing you need to install the MySQL database on your computer is installing XAMPP that we already have, or if you're using a Mac, you can install MAMP. Okay, so let's go back to the folder that has XAMPP. In here, let me go to C, and in here you have something called PHP MyAdmin. Okay, and PHP MyAdmin gives you a cool graphic control panel to create any type of database with MySQL for any of your projects. Okay, let's start PHP MyAdmin so you can see how it works. So before we go there, let's start the XAMPP, Apache, and MySQL. And now we can type here localhost, and here PHP MyAdmin. PHP MyAdmin. Okay, and there it is. If for some reason you don't get to this page, or it might happen that when you type, let's go back, when you type here localhost, you are redirected to a Google search query. Make sure you type HTTP localhost and PHP MyAdmin. Okay, there it is. Okay, great. So this is the MySQL control panel. So you have here a bunch of stuff you can do in order to create the perfect database for your project or your website. But we will continue that on the next lecture. Okay, so see you guys later.